So first you have to know that what is social media. Let me define social media. People are earning money from social media by so easy way. In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the most merciful and beneficent, who is the creator of entire universe, who is the assistant of entire universe, who gives us life and who causes us death. First of all, I am very thankful to my respectable teacher, dear brothers, and all of you that you give me a chance to deliver my thoughts in front of you about the topic social media. So first you have to know that what is social media. Let me define social media. Social media is a vast platform where people are sharing their thoughts, their feelings, their information throughout the world. That is called social media. And when I'll talk about the global village, when I'll talk about the communication about social media, people are doing communication with each other by so easy way. We are calling to social media global village. And the first time there was a dream that, oh my god, I am living here in Pakistan and a person who is living in America, I won't be able to talk with that guy. It was a dream. And when I'll talk about the reality, so people can talk with everyone, with every place by so easy way, without any type of difficulty. And people are earning money from social media by so easy way. Just make a page for yourself and earn money with the help of that page. But the main thing is your follower. When you have support, if you are supporting each other, then we will earn money. We will never doing jealousy with each other. And when I'll talk about social media, about the part-time job, they're just thinking about the social media, that we will just earning money from social media. They're not thinking about the part-time job. You should think about part-time job. Let's suppose at Melana they're going to close their platform, then what will be your response? You should search another part-time job for yourself. From that job you will earn money. And search that type of job for yourself when you're lying in your bed, when you're sleeping in your bed, then you will earn money from that job. That is a great opportunity for all of you. And you should use social media positive. Don't use social media negative. Negative thing does not mean that you will just want bad things. Negative thing means those type of thing which is wasting your precious time. That is called negative. And even that is game, that is film, everything which is wasting your time, that is called negative. And we should use social media by positive way. And that was my short message to all of you. Love and respect. Thanks for giving me a precious time.